With the G1 SCBA, MSA Safety has become the leader in gathering situational information that Command can use to increase firefighters' safety, such as alerts, gas detection readings, and time remaining on air. As the G1 suite continues to evolve, that information will only become richer. But how can that data be easily shared with Command so that it is most useful? Introducing MSA Hub. Now the G1 data is not just staying on scene with the incident commander, but is also going to the cloud, where it can be securely accessed on any browser. Now leadership has full visibility over operation, potentially to multiple incidents. Now another set of eyes can take a calmer and more thorough view of the situation, with the capability to communicate easier with other authorities or access specialized information. This simplifies the incident commander's job, allowing team safety to be the primary focus. The MSA Hub from MSA Safety. When you go in, we go in with you.